Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the exact adapter you'll change. Press Windows plus I to get settings, then choose Network and Internet and Advanced Network Settings. Once there, pick the active adapter, Ethernet for wired, Wi-Fi for wireless, and click Properties to reveal IP options. You do this to access IP4 and IP6 assignments directly. Changing the adapter ensures you don't alter the wrong interface. Make sure you have admin rights, because the next steps require elevated permissions. Once in Properties, scroll to Internet Protocol version 4 and click Edit to switch from automatic DHCP to manual when you need a static IP. You'll enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. These values tell Windows how to reach local and external networks. Also add preferred and alternate DNS to resolve domain names faster and reliably. Make sure the IP is unique on the network to avoid conflicts. If unsure, pick an address outside DHCP range or consult your router. After saving, apply and close. Then disable and re-enable the adapter or reboot to ensure settings take effect. You should verify with ipconfig to confirm the assigned IP and gateway, and use ping to test connectivity to the gateway and an external address. If you see an IP conflict or no internet, revert to automatic DHCP to restore connectivity, then check router DHCP range and static reservation. One quick troubleshooting tip. Use ipconfig/release and /renew or check for duplicate IPs on the LAN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.